Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable allow browser integration on your Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to File, and now in the File, let's go over to the Settings. Now in those settings, let me hide the security and preferences. We need to focus on the app settings for all accounts. Here, as you guys can see, we will have an option to allow browser integration. And as you guys can see, used to allow biometric unlock in browsers that are not Safari. So we can enable it or disable it. I recommend keeping it disabled, but it's totally up to you and it's up to your preference. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.